Howdy, you want to know how to use your phone as a camera? Whether it's for a second camera for streaming, whether it's your main camera for streaming, or whether it's just for a Zoom call for a meeting? Well, let's go. Okay, software we're going to be using is called Droidcam. You've got two versions, free and premium. Let me break down the difference real quick. So I'm just going to read down this list super quick. So Droidcam Pro features, you've got HD mode, 720p, 1080p. You can camera control such as toggle light, enable continue photo focus, zoom in and out. You can rotate, flip, mirror the video to better match your setup. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, add a video delay, and adjust audio volumes. You got USB mode only for extra privacy, option to auto mute phone calls, and no ads. Now the price of the premium is £4 or $5.50. My personal recommendation, if it's something you're going to use a lot, get the premium one. If it's just something you want to use one time, just get the free version. Right, to the setup, simple enough. Click this, click that, give it a pop-up, save it, install it, run it. All links will be down below. Right. Once we've got the software installed, we're going to open up here. You're then greeted with these options. You can do it wired or Wi-Fi. Now remember, if you get the premium version, you can do it through wire. If you get the free version, you got to do it through Wi-Fi. I am going to be doing it through wired. So now onto our mobile device, we're going to go on the App Store and we're going to go download that software. So we're going to install that. Whilst that's running, I need to know if you're doing it through USB mode, then you need to enable USB Debugging on your mobile device. I will show you how to do that right now. Okay, so on your phone now, we're going to enable USB Debugging. Now to do that, go to your settings, go down to the bottom, go to About Phone, Software Information, and then where it says Build Number, we're going to tap that 7 times. Now we're going to type in a password. Now developer mode has been enabled. So we're going to go find the settings for developer mode right there at the bottom. We're going to select that. Now we're going to scroll down until we find USB Debugging, and we're going to enable it right there. Yes, now we've enabled that. Awesome, let's move on. Okay, now we just opened up Droidcam on our phone, so we're going to click next here. Now this second part here, this goes through how to connect it through Wi-Fi. It's very simple. It'll give you an IP address. As you can see right here, it'll tell you your Wi-Fi, your IP address. You'll then input that into the Wi-Fi, and then you got your port, which you would then also put there. Nice and easy, just do that. Just read through these steps, I'll tell you what to do. We're going to be doing it wired though, as I said, so we're going to click on wire there. We're going to click got it on my phone. We're going to enable the camera and the audio. Now, here we are. Been great with this. Now, next step, I'm going to plug my phone in. Now we've plugged our USB cable in. As you can see, it's popped up saying allow USB debugging. We're going to click allow. Now, once that's done, now we're going to click start, and you'll see our camera pop up right there. So that is our camera. Let me just move this. Let me just shrink this and move this. There we go. That's much better. Okay, cool. As you can see, here is my phone now. So there is settings on the mobile device itself. You got these are your white balance, your autofocus. You can go through them and change them as you like. I'm not gonna change anything. I just want to show you mainly what the camera looks like. And on the software itself, say you don't like it, rotate it around. Say you want it to be mirrored, or you can mirror the image, that's fine. Then you got your torch if you want your torch on. But mainly, I just want to show you what the quality's like. So let me put my phone down here. So there you have it. That's what it looks like. I'll even do one better. I'll put it in OBS so you can see what it looks like. Now I know there's a lot of fuckery, but I'm going to show you how to bring it in to OBS if you want. We're going to do a window capture, and we're going to go on Droidcam. We're going to pop it out with this. Now that's popped out. We've got window capture. We're going to click OK. And Droidcam, perfect. Now we're going to click OK. Move this there. We're also going to go on the window capture. We're going to add a filter. We're going to add a crop on it. And we're going to do the left and the right to get rid of them white borders that we don't want. So there goes that one. And there goes the right border. Cool. So there you go. This is me using my mobile device, as you can see. There's the camera up there. So as you can see, this is the mobile device. This is what the quality looks like. If you were to use it, I've got it stretched out by quite a bit. We can even stretch out even more for you. There you go. Not that bad. Nice and easy to set up. So there you go. That's how easy it was to set up your phone on your computer to use as webcam or an OBS for a second camera or your main camera in streaming. So until next time, bye bye.